I'm finally ready to put this workshop to use and start processing wood on my router tables. We're going to be making tongue and groove boards for our master suite renovation. Our home has wood walls throughout, so we wanted to keep with that theme, do some tongue and groove. Unfortunately, the stores did not carry the tongue and groove we wanted, so we thought we might as well do it ourselves. I have my router table set up. There's only one thing missing, and that is something to catch the wood as it comes off the table. So here's the router table. The wood comes off, the wood falls down. I want to make sure it's nice and even so that we can keep our grooved edges consistent, because you don't want your wood bouncing up and down. So I was looking for options. I know they make wood roller supports, but I couldn't find one I liked, and I already had these rollers. Now this is a bench top roller support, and I can use that for my chop saw or anything, just on the ground, on the workbench, etc. I thought, since I already have these, I wonder if I could make these into a portable roller support to use with my router tables as well. So I grabbed an old tripod, and my hope is that I can attach it to the tripod and use it as an adjustable portable roller support to catch the wood coming off my router table. Since the tripods have a standard 1/4 inch thread for a camera, I'm going to go ahead and drill and tap a 1/4 inch hole in the bottom of this and see if I can just attach it directly to the tripod with no other modifications. Okay, that's about center.
Daddy's working. It's a crock. Hear the owl?
Now that's not too bad. You can see it'll come across the router table. As I get to the end of the board, it's still well supported. It should keep me running a lot straighter and not have this wood falling on the ground. Now yes, it's only a camera tripod, but it is a pretty durable one. It's not super heavy duty, but it's going to be totally fine for this small wood. And it feels pretty stable. So since I'm happy with it, I'm going to make another one for the other end. So we're going to have two, because I have two of these. We'll have one to guide the boards coming onto the table, one to take them off. Now this tool right here that we're using is made for this job of making threaded holes. It has a 1/4 20 thread. That's the same as the camera tripod uses. And it just cuts little threads into the hole. Pretty easy. This one is now done. What I'm really liking about this concept is how adjustable it is to any height that I need, but also how practical it is because I can pop it off here and use it back on my bench top. Anytime I need these rollers or outside on the ground or wherever I'm working, I could just unscrew them quick. Since it's a camera tripod, this is meant to be fast to take your camera on and off. So I'm looking forward to trying these out for a little while, see how they work. But that is my roller work supports. Fairly inexpensive, easy to make. I'm happy with it.